Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Zia. I welcome you in my leadership lecture series. This is lecture number 14. Today I'm going to talk about followership. Yes, that's important. Followership. You as a leader should understand and know about followership, the concept of followership. Followers, rather than representing the antithesis of leaders, are best viewed as collaborator with leaders. Followers fall into two groups. Number one, independent followers, or what we call critical thinkers or critical thinking followers. Number two, dependent followers, or what we call uncritical thinking or thinkers. Alright, so best followers think for themselves and offer constructive advice or even creative solution. But on the other hand, worst followers need to be told what to be done or even dodge the responsibility. They try. Okay, here you as a leader should understand the styles and kinds and types of followers. So, followership styles. Let me tell you, there are five important styles of followership. Number one, alienated followers. Number two, conformist followers. Number three, pragmatist followers. Number four, passive followers. Number five, exemplary followers. Number one, alienated followers. Alienated followers are those followers, they habitually point out all the negative aspects of the organization to others. So they are a sort of blamers. Leaders often see them as cynical and adversarial. Okay, number two, conformist followers. Who are the conformist followers? Conformist followers are the yes people, yes men. The yes people of the organization, they are really active at doing the organization's work, but they can be dangerous, remember, because they are the yes people, they accept each and everything. They are called conformist followers. Number three, pragmatist followers. Who are the pragmatist followers? They really or rarely, they really are not committed. So they rarely committed to their work, goals group, group's goal, sorry. They rarely committed to their group's goals or tasks or objectives. They have learned not to make new waves and tend to be only average performers. So they remain as okay or average. Number four is called passive followers. Who are the passive followers? The passive followers rely on the leaders to do all thinking. They say that leader is there to think everything, thinking. Lack of enthusiasm, initiative, sense of responsibility. They have they are lacking of these things. So they require constant direction as it has become their habit. So they remain passive until and unless they are told to do something. Okay, exemplary followers. This is the fifth one. Who are the exemplary followers? Exemplary followers, they are independent, innovative, and willing to assume responsibility and stand up to superiors. They apply their talents for the benefit of the organization. That's important. So, in this lecture, we covered followership styles, which include alienated followers, conformist followers, means yes men or yes people, pragmatist followers doing the least, passive followers, they are looking for to be told and they believe that all the thinking should be done by the leaders, and exemplary followers. Exemplary followers mean they are independent, innovative, and willing to assume the responsibilities, and they always try to stand up with the superiors, with the seniors, with the leaders, and they apply their talent, they give their expertise for the benefits of the organization. My name is Dr. Zia. I thank you very much for your watching my lectures. Please press the bell icon to subscribe and share as well as like. I thank you very much once again. See you in my next lecture.